everyone, welcome to Brainstorming with Meher. In my last topic, I spoke on different kinds of emotions. Today, I will further continue how to manage these emotions. In other words, I will speak on emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is our ability to understand and manage our own emotions. Having it leads to happy and a satisfied mind. Whenever a person has emotional intelligence, he or she can take decisions positively, and whatever situation comes, he or she will be able to handle that situation with a cool mind. Emotional intelligence is in fact another name of self-awareness. Whenever a person is self-aware about something, he or she will be in a better position and will know his own self, can become aware of his strength, his weaknesses. It helps us to understand the root cause of being upset, feeling hurt, feeling of euphoria. To master emotional intelligence, we need to focus on self-regulation. Self-regulation is when you think before speaking. Other meaning of self-regulation is to have control towards your emotions. Example, if we get rejection in job or interview, we need to regulate our shortcomings rather than getting angry. This will help ourselves to motivate us in the next opportunity. Another name of emotional intelligence is motivation. We should concentrate on the solutions to every problem we face rather than getting depressed in a setback. The best example of motivation is Albert Einstein. He failed 99 times, but he didn't give up. He went successful in 100 times. Lastly is empathy. Empathy is one word that contradicts emotional intelligence, and it is a true sign of being spiritual and human. If we can feel the hurt faced by our loved ones, empathy may give us negative results. But with emotional intelligence, we can not only help our loved ones but can help the needy and motivate them to become strong and manage the situation in a positive way. Concluding, so my friends, being emotional is totally okay, but don't become the slave of emotions. Thank you so much.